Have you ever felt like something is missing in your life? Like there's a void that you can't quite put your finger on? Like a puzzle with one piece left unsolved, a nagging feeling that something crucial is absent? We long for a sense of completion, a feeling of being whole and fulfilled. It's a universal desire that drives us forward. This yearning often leads us on a search for something bigger than ourselves, a driving force that gives our lives meaning and direction. This, my friends, is the pursuit of purpose. It's a quest that can take us to unexpected places and reveal hidden truths. In the intricate tapestry of life, purpose is the thread that connects all the others, weaving a story that is uniquely ours. It's the reason behind our actions, the driving force behind our dreams and aspirations, guiding us like a compass. Without it, we may find ourselves drifting, unsure of our direction, and feeling lost at sea without an anchor. This year, let's unlock the secret to a life filled with purpose and joy. Let's open that mysterious box and see what treasures lie inside. Let's embark on a journey together to discover your unique calling, your reason for being. Together, we can find the path that leads to fulfillment. This is your year to shine, to let the light within you break through and illuminate your path. This path, like finding your purpose, is a journey, not a destination. It's filled with twists and turns, but each step brings you closer. It's time to embrace the adventure and uncover the incredible potential that lies within you. Let's begin this journey together and see where it leads. True happiness isn't found in fleeting moments of pleasure. It's not something you buy or achieve overnight. It's a deep-seated sense of fulfillment that comes from aligning your life with your core values and passions. When you live with purpose, your actions have meaning. Your work becomes more than just a job. It becomes a contribution to something larger than yourself. Your relationships deepen, fueled by shared values and aspirations. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of excitement, eager to embrace the day ahead. Imagine feeling a fire within you, pushing you to learn, to grow, to make a difference. This is the power of purpose. It's about finding that sweet spot where your passions intersect with the needs of the world. It's about using your unique talents and gifts to make a positive impact, however big or small. Feeling lost is a universal human experience. It's something that connects us all, regardless of our backgrounds or circumstances. We've all been there, at a crossroads, unsure of which path to take. These moments can be daunting, but they also offer a chance for growth. It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, to feel like we're just going through the motions. The hustle and bustle of life can sometimes make us lose sight of our true purpose. We might find ourselves questioning our choices, wondering if we're on the right track. This is perfectly normal. It's a sign that we're seeking something more meaningful. It's in these moments of uncertainty that we have the opportunity to dig deep and reconnect with ourselves. Nature often provides the perfect backdrop for this introspection. Identifying your purpose is like finding your way out of a maze. It can be complex and challenging, but also incredibly rewarding. It requires introspection, self-awareness, and a willingness to explore different avenues. Sometimes the path less traveled can lead to the most fulfilling destinations. But trust me, the journey is worth it. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel is unparalleled. The first step is to silence the noise of the outside world and tune into your inner voice. This can be achieved through meditation, journaling, or simply spending time alone. It's time to ask yourself some important questions. Reflect on your experiences, your passions, and your dreams. What makes you feel truly alive? What activities bring you joy and fulfillment? What are you naturally drawn to? These are often clues to your true calling. What injustices in the world break your heart? These feelings can guide you towards a purpose that is both personal and impactful. Section 4. Uncovering your true north. Discovering your purpose is a journey of self-discovery. It's about peeling back the layers of societal expectations and conditioning to reveal your authentic self. Start by exploring your passions. What activities make you lose track of time? What makes you feel energized and excited? Next, reflect on your values. What principles are non-negotiable for you? What causes do you deeply care about? Your values are your guiding stars, pointing you towards a life of purpose and meaning. Finally, identify your strengths. What are you naturally good at? What comes easily to you? Your strengths are your unique gifts. the tools you can use to make a difference in the world. Remember, your purpose doesn't have to be grand or world-changing. It can be something simple, something that brings joy to your life and the lives of those around you. Section 5. A life transformed. Let me share a story about a young woman I met named Maya. Maya felt lost and unfulfilled in her corporate job. Every day felt like a monotonous routine, draining her spirit. She had a nagging feeling that she was meant for something more, but she couldn't quite put her finger on it. The question of her true purpose lingered in her mind. One day, Maya decided to volunteer at a local animal shelter, hoping to find some clarity. Surrounded by animals in need, she felt a surge of compassion and purpose. The connection she felt with the animals was immediate and profound. She realized that her true calling lay in caring for animals. It was as if a light bulb had gone off in her head. With newfound clarity, Maya quit her corporate job and poured her heart into working at the shelter. It was a bold move, but she felt it was the right one. She found immense joy and fulfillment in making a difference in the lives of animals. Each day brought new challenges, but also new rewards. Her story is a powerful reminder that sometimes our purpose finds us when we least expect it. It's about being open to new experiences and listening to our inner voice. It's a reminder that true happiness comes from aligning our actions with our values and passions. When we do what we love, it doesn't feel like work. It's about embracing the journey of self-discovery and having the courage to pursue our dreams, no matter how big or small. Maya's journey teaches us that it's never too late to change our path and find true fulfillment. Section 6. Your journey to purpose. Finding your purpose is a process, not an overnight revelation. It's a journey of self-discovery, exploration, and growth. Start by setting aside dedicated time for introspection. Journal your thoughts, meditate, or simply spend time in nature. Connect with your inner child. What were you passionate about as a child? What brought you joy? Often our childhood passions hold clues to our true purpose. Seek out mentors and inspiration. Surround yourself with people who are living purposeful lives. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops that resonate with you. Remember, your purpose may evolve over time, and that's okay. Embrace the journey and trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Section 7. Your turn to explore. As we conclude this journey of self-discovery, I encourage you to reflect on what resonated with you. What sparked a fire within you? What steps can you take today to align your life with your purpose? Share your thoughts, insights, and any breakthroughs you've had in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration as we navigate this journey together. Remember, you are capable of living a life filled with purpose and meaning. The world needs your unique gifts and talents. Now is the time to step into your power and create a life you love.